In Bali, rice is thought to be a gift from the gods. Rice is not only an essential food, but also crucial to social and spiritual life. Rice cultivation is an ancient tradition, a practice encompassing work, community, and religion. Here, in Wongaya Betan, the terraced rice paddies have been worked since the 9th century, a history recently recognised by the United Nations World Heritage listing of this cultural landscape of Bali. Balinese are expert and productive rice farmers. They've long maintained abundant harvests through a cooperative system of land and water management based on farmer collectives known as subaks. A subak is an association of farmers sharing a single source of water. They cooperatively maintain the canals that bring water to their rice paddies and coordinate the planting and harvesting of their crops. Individual subaks are linked to various water temples, found at each place where water is sourced, such as a river or a spring, and where it is shared, at each diversion weir, and where water is channeled into the group of rice fields of a subak, or subgroup of a subak. The ultimate source of water for all irrigation in Bali is believed to be the great volcanic lakes north and above these rice fields. Water for Wongaya Betan, including its hot springs, is believed to come from Lake Tumblingan. Cooperative decision-making, guided by water temple and subak priests, has long determined rice planting times, as well as water allocation across whole regions of Bali. The farming families who make up the subak perform daily rituals and join in ceremonies that mark the stages of rice cultivation and the sharing of water. These beautiful practices are integral to Balinese culture and the connections that bind the community. From the 1960s through to the 1980s, the pressure of Indonesia's growing population and government policy brought change. This green revolution introduced high-yield rice varieties, along with chemical fertilisers and pesticides. Balinese farmers were told to plant rice crops more frequently, and the traditional rhythm of flooding the paddies and planting was disrupted. After initial bumper crops, the harvest began to drop and the crops to fail due to the water shortages and massive pest infestations resulting from the changed crop and water management. Once the importance of scheduling the rice crop and water sharing arrangements were recognised and restored, rice harvests recuperated. The Wongaya Betan subak now grows rice using the schedule agreed by the water temples and the subak. This schedule is combined with modern organic farming techniques. Organic manures enhance the soil. Biourine, in coordination of the planting cycle, controls pests. Their rice is grown in a balanced ecosystem of water, rice, companion plants, insects, and animals such as eels and ducks. Each contributes to the health of the system and the people who plan and work it. The farmers grow a range of new, as well as traditional varieties of rice, including the nutritious and tasty red rice. And they make organic manure and biogas to sell. These organic products are locally processed and packaged by the community at Somyo Pertiwi. Organic farming at Wongaya Betan reflects the philosophical concept of Tri Hita Karena, which brings together the realms of the spirit, the human world, and nature, for a balanced relationship between each of them. The community of Wongaya Betan invites you to a better understanding of Tri Hita Karena by visiting the village, the rice fields and surroundings, and by enjoying their organic rice and red rice tea.